how these family stories just take a horrible turn. All right, so you know how we had my sister on the phone?
Yes.
And the kids are Midwest kids. They're 15 and 12. No interest whatsoever in sex or putting up any posters of anybody on their walls.
Those kids are, what is it called when they're...
Sheltered?
Yes,
Or
very
just not
sheltered.
into pop culture.
But let me ask you this. Are they sheltered because one of them, the 15-year-old, just got a brand new kick-ass shotgun for Christmas?
Yeah.
You know, like, it's such a fine line. Like, Cameron got a shotgun for Christmas, but he doesn't have Jessica Simpson on his wall. So what is, I mean, you know.
Those are two different worlds. So you're talking like
That's what I mean,
yeah.
though. But yeah, the kids that have Jessica Simpson on their wall probably don't have a shotgun.
No, that's why they're sheltered. They live in a place where you can own a shotgun as a child.
Yeah.
And it's not a red flag warning.
But I tell you what, I'd much
Kill
rather have
things.
my kids like raised like that than have them have naked girls on their walls.
Yeah, because then they become little perverts.
Where you're like, oh my god.
However, you know what? I just thought of something. That one's 15 years old and a computer geek. He's into it.
It totally
you
is.
can't tell me he doesn't look at. He might not
Oh
have on
yeah,
his wall,
he
but they're
doesn't
on
need.
his computer.
He's so
Right.
smart. He doesn't need them on his wall.
Yeah.
He has live action.
Yeah, they're on
Right.
his wallpaper on the computer.
Exactly.
He might have a bride in another country.
He just couldn't tell us.
Right.
Yeah, not
So,
for the mom.
and then it was really funny, and I told you guys this when I went back home. The kids, both of them have iPods, and they're both loaded with country music. I mean,
Right.
there is not a today one of the artists that we play at all. It is all country artists. I mean, that's all they listen to because that's what they're raised with. But it's so funny how you're like, oh my God, that's my family. You know, we all have wacky families. Monica just told me that her mom saw the Virgin Mary in the microwave plate.
That rules.
Don't you hate it though
Yeah.
when you're part of that family? You're like, oh no, we're those people that you read about.
Right. That
Yeah.
somewhere they're going to have a line of people coming to pray to
Yes!
their microwave.
Oh, there's going to be a line of people at Monica's house. By the time you get home today, there's going to be like white candles everywhere and the burnt macaroni and cheese that looks like Virgin Mary.
The Virgin Mary, and she
Yeah.
said her little sister saw it too.
Oh, it's over.
It's totally. We're gonna see him on the news.
Well, let's call the news.
Local
Because
miracle.
you know what? I told you this the other day. It bothers me. Sometimes I print out stories and I don't think you realize. I put them in there just because I think it's funny that it's a news story, like the 20-pound rabbit today.
Right.
Because you realize the news doesn't just know
I saw
this
that
stuff.
rabbit.
Somebody has to call them and say, I have a 20-pound
A rabbit. Yeah, that rabbit's creepy
Right.
though. That
It
is news.
creepy. It's a big rabbit.
All right, can you call Channel 5, Monica?
No.
We'd like to
Yes,
talk.
let's
Why?
tell them.
Channel 34, Univision or whatever.
Oh, but she'll have to talk to him.
Yeah, let's call 5, and once they pick up the story, everybody will be out there.
Yeah,
Okay.
and then it'll go back on the
We'll give the KTLA guys the hot tip first.
Yeah,
Right.
that they have
Okay.
Virgin Mary stuck to their plate.
They can send that chicken a wig out there to hit microwave stuff at Monica's house.
Oh, what is her name?
Gail.
Yeah, her wig falls off sometimes on Channel 5. It's very
Yeah.
sad.
And I would say it's mean to bring it up, but they replay it all the time, so
Exactly.
it's not my fault.
Jamie.
Oh no, this is my family is today's topic. Oh no, this is my family. Actually, there's it's Secret Family Lives too is part of that because did you read in the newspaper that you know that Wayne Gretzky?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, Wayne Gretzky is a hockey player. Y'all probably knew him, and he has a really hot wife, Janet.
Yep. He's also part owner and coach of the Phoenix Coyotes now.
Well, now they're saying there's some big scandal where some assistant coach and some players and whatever, and Janet Gretzky are all involved in a gambling ring.
Yeah, I saw a tease on that. I didn't know that's what it was about.
Yeah, it's a gambling ring. Now, what do you do? One day, here you are, you're Wayne,
Right.
and you're like, babe, what do you mean you've been doing a gambling ring?
Now, do you think you really didn't know?
I think sometimes people don't know that
I
that's
think you're
their
right. I think
family.
sometimes- I'm
Well,
just
did you hear his
curious.
quote?
What?
They came up to him. He's getting ready to coach a game, and they're like, "Hey, Wayne, what's up with your wife betting?" And he goes, "You're probably gonna have to ask her about that."
Oh my God, that's funny. He did?
He didn't say no comment. He said, "You're probably gonna have to ask her about that."
I mean, they do those stories about secret lives of family members all the time.
If I was him and I didn't know, but I'd be pissed because he's considered one of the greatest hockey players
great
ever.
one.
To have his name soiled
Tarnished.
by her, to be the Pete Rose of hockey
Yeah.
is not,
Not good, Jack.
No.
And now Monica's family is tarnishing her name.
Yes.
We're going to call Monica's sister who sees the Virgin Mary in the microwave crusties.
I'm really worried that they're going to throw it in the hot tub, though, and ruin it. I want them to keep it so I can sell it on eBay when they have more of it.
You think they wash their clothes and dishes in their hot tub?
I think they sit in their clothes in the hot tub so that they get clean and kill two birds with one stone.
They bought, because we were making fun of people that buy hot tubs at the fair. They bought one.
Yeah.
Hello.
Jasmine!
Hi, Jamie.
Hi, pretty! How are ya?
Good, and you guys?
How funny is it that last time I saw you, we were all sitting in a dry hot tub at the fair. Where were we? Pomona or where is that?
Pomona.
In Pomona. Remember, we were all sitting in that big, huge hot tub. And then a week later, your parents buy one.
Yeah, I know. Crazy, huh?
So how often does Monica come over and sit in your hot tub?
Every day.
Every day
see?
she sits in that hot tub. Doesn't she have a life?
I don't know. She's always here. God, tell her to go.
Hey, Jasmine, you know what Monica does when she's not in the hot tub? She looks at your MySpace website.
Hey!
All the time.
Did you know that your sister is on your MySpace all the time?
And obsessed with it.
She told me.
Yeah. And did you know that she can look at everything you've written?
Oh, she could?
Yeah.
Oh, you're so busted, Jasmine.
Nobody knows that part about MySpace.
Oops.
Yeah.
How do you see it?
We can't tell you that.
It's a secret.
It is totally a secret, but she has a back-end way of seeing everything you write. And you just better be careful, Missy.
Yeah.
Watch your back, girl.
Okay.
And stop doing the am I hot or not crap.
Yeah.
You're a beautiful girl. Nobody needs to rate you. You're fine.
Okay.
Okay. All right, let's move on to what we really called about.
Yeah.
So you see the Virgin Mary and the Crusties in your microwave?
That what? I'm sorry?
Do you see the Virgin Mary and the Krusty film on your microwave plate?
You know what? I do. It's crazy, but I do. It's like the round, like you know how it's oval?
Yeah, the round dish that fits in there, right?
Yeah, and it's like right in the middle of the plate, and you could actually see it. You can't really see the face and like every single little part, but you could actually see it around.
So you're seeing like an outline of the Virgin Mary?
You could see it, and
Like
then
the
it's
silhouette?
It's crazy because you could actually see the outline, and in the right in the middle, like she has something. Like you could tell that she has like
A frozen burrito?
I think like a rosary,
Like
Jack.
a baby
I
Jesus.
was just checking because she's in the microwave.
Does she look like she has baby Jesus or a cross or what?
Or a frozen
No,
burrito?
it's just like
Or frozen burrito.
It's like another little like right in the middle. It's like clear again. Like you could just tell that she
Hot
has
pocket.
something right there.
Ooh, good
Oh,
call. Hot
and
pocket.
does she have a tear coming from her eye?
No, because you can't even see her face.
So, now, first of all, your family has been around Monica, who went to college for radio broadcasting forever. Do they not know they're supposed to turn down that radio?
What?
I guess the TV.
Oh, is the TV on or is the radio on?
The radio.
Yeah.
it's the
See,
radio.
that-
Wow.
Yeah. Yeah, and by the way, thanks for doing that little side note so her mom could hear that. Let's not bring it up again. Anyway, you know what I'm talking about. Yeah. Anyway, so you can see the Virgin Mary, but you really can't make out her face. Couldn't it be some guy named Larry on your plate?
No, it's that.
Like the king of big screens or something? Are you sure
Yeah.
it's the Virgin
Yeah.
Mary?
Yeah, I'm sure it's the Virgin Mary.
What identifies it as the Virgin Mary?
It's like the oval, and then like right in the middle, and then like on the side it has like a little like a little I don't know how you call it. It's just like to the side, and it's like it looks crazy because it just looks like the around
Jasmine,
of the Virgin Mary.
Can we come over this weekend and baptize people in your hot tub?
Jack's mocking you.
Are you sure you see it? Because what if you're going nuts?
I don't know, but I don't know. I have faith.
Yeah, we all have faith, but I don't see Jesus in my burnt baked goods.
Yeah. Why your microwave?
Yeah, why were you chosen?
No, well, actually, it wasn't just in ours. It happened in my grandma's house and over there in Mexico, and in my aunt's house right here.
So your whole family's microwaves were tainted by the Virgin,
Virgin Mary is affecting microwaves everywhere.
Was it all their microwaves?
Well, yeah, it wasn't my aunt's and in my grandma's. My grandma saw actually it was my cousin from Mexico. She saw it and she called my aunt, and my aunt saw it. So she was like, no, at first she was like, no, I don't believe it. So she washed it, whatever. She tried it, And she was licking it, so she got all creeped out because she was like, oh, my God, I see it, too. And she was like, I see it, and it's around. And she explained it exactly how it is, and the same thing happened. Like, my mom watched
All on microwave plates.
on the microwave plates, yeah.
The whole family's been infected.
You might all be losing your mind.
You know what? You guys might have leaky microwaves.
There are people with microwaves in other countries now that have now shared the
I
experience.
know.
Yeah.
This is crazy. Do you know that you can get like $5,000, Jack says, on eBay?
Yeah, can I sell it on eBay? Golden Palace will buy it.
I'm not kidding. You guys can make millions.
You'll go to hell, but you'll make a lot of money.
They won't go to hell. Virgin Mary didn't say you couldn't,
Sell her microwave
yeah,
plate.
Yeah, and it was before microwaves. She didn't put that in her rules and regulations. All right, so you're okay with this, and you feel like the whole family's okay?
Yeah?
Oh, Jasmine, I've just figured out a way to make even more money.
What?
We microwave miracle food in that microwave now and sell it to people like miracle lean pockets that like cure
It's
things.
like kosher but different.
Right, because it's made in the Virgin Mary microwave.
Yeah,
And then we can sell because we can keep that
this is a
business
whole
going
new
for a long
thing,
time.
Jack, because somebody came up with kosher,
Right.
so somebody's got to come up with christened.
Miracle muffins or something that we make in the microwave.
Christened Krispies.
Oh, I like
Yeah,
that.
something.
Mary muffins.
Miracle muffins.
And we'll sell them from that microwave made in the miracle microwave.
Oh my God, Jack, you're brilliant. You're going to make millions.
Oh, yeah, we'll set up a stand in front of there.
That was the next thing. Remember yesterday
Yep.
we're trying to look for the next thing?
Oh.
Holy foods.
We'll just buy all that crazy stuff that people see Jesus and the Virgin Mary on and then turn it into a restaurant. Use it all at a restaurant.
Yeah, Holy Foods instead of Whole Foods.
I like it. It's
Holy Foods.
genius.
Yeah.
All right, hey, Jasmine.
Yeah.
Last question. Do you have a picture of any boys up on your walls?
On my wall?
Yeah, like a poster?
Not right now.
See, nobody
Okay,
does it
but
anymore, Jack.
Jasmine's pretty hip. You have pictures of boys on your MySpace site. What guys are you into? I know you have bands and stuff up on there. I've seen it. We all look at your
Like
MySpace
celebrity
site.
guys.
Who?
Yeah, see, I'm telling you, kids aren't going to Spencer's anymore and buying the big posters of Pamela Anderson and putting it on their walls anymore.
Yeah.
They're just not doing it.
Yeah.
The poster is gone. The beautiful poster of boy
Wow.
bands and Donna Summer.
Yeah, but we had posters as kids.
Yeah, you went to Spencer's. Do you remember
I am-
going through that rack?
Hey, even before Spencer's, when you got those books through school, remember you
Yeah,
had to make them,
you
like,
had
you
the-
always got like the puppy hanging on the toilet and
Or
stuff.
the crazy cats.
Right.
Yeah.
Don't forget the cats. Yeah.
Right. You always got that bonus poster if you bought like 3 books.
All right, Jasmine. I hope I hope y'all are you using the microwave?
No, my mom actually doesn't want to use it no
Good
more.
move.
See?
So what are you gonna do with it?
It's an altar.
She put it right there, like on the floor. Well, not on the floor, like by the wall.
Are there candles burning by it?
I'm sorry?
Are you burning candles by it?
Yeah, and my mom
Yeah.
put a candle. She put 2 candles right in front of it.
Perfect.
Yep.
That she got at like the dollar store?
Oh, the Virgin Guadalupe,
Yeah.
whatever.
Yeah, the
candles.
ones with the pictures
Yeah.
on the sides?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. All right, well pray for our show.
Okay.
Okay, stand right over. Actually, do you want to walk over there to the microwave plate and give like your little shout out? Hope Jamie, Jack, and Stench and Monica have a really good show today. Amen.
Oh, your mom will
Okay.
beat you. If
You
you
want,
take-
you want, would you like to do that?
Yeah. Go ahead.
Okay.
Just hold the phone over.
Set it on high.
Okay.
Okay, I forget how you do it. Do you start, dear God?
Oh, don't look at me.
Oh, Heavenly Father, thank you for setting your presence on this microwave plate and for surrounding us with your microwave stuff
And tasty microwave goodness.
and your tasty microwave goodness. And we hope that you give Jamie, Jack, and Stench, I'm Jamie, and Monica a really great show. Amen.
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 Microwave.
Amen. Thank you.
Bye.
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 7.
Go ahead and take it there, Jack.
What do you want me to take?
I don't. Hey, wait. I left the water.
Oh my God, what happened?
Nothing.
During the break, I went and checked our microwave just to see if there was
Just
anything
to
good,
see?
but
Yeah.
there wasn't.
And I saw Satan in the bottom.
All right, we're playing the game. I can't believe this is my family, or I
Yeah.
can't believe this is my. It all is a part of. First of all, finding out that you're Wayne Gretzky and you're married to Janet Gretzky, or is it Janet?
Yeah.
Janet Gretzky, and she might be in this humongous. Thank you so much. She might be in this humongous gambling ring.
That is so weird.
So crazy.
That would suck.
Because you don't think the Gretzkys are hurting for money.
No, exactly. That's why That's exactly what I was thinking, Jack. I was like, why would she need to do that? Greed.
She's
Yeah, it
bored.
must be.
She lives in Phoenix now.
But she's a part owner.
Yeah, but you still get bored.
There's a mountain to climb, Camelback.
Yeah,
I mean,
that's what I see her doing.
It seems like such a risky thing because they're an empire. I mean, he has endorsements. He's a legend. There's no need for that.
So, finding that out would be shocking. Then Monica finds out today that her mother has candles that are lit sitting in front of a microwave plate, one of those turning microwave plates that y'all put in your microwave.
Yeah.
Yep.
She has built a shrine with the microwave plate and candles because she sees the Virgin Mary in it.
Oh, that's so rules.
But now she's part of that family.
Right.
You know what I mean? Like, you don't... And that's a harder one than, oh, my God, my wife's in a gambling ring. Because that would suck,
Right.
Yeah.
But this one, you can't really say, Mom, don't... you can't call her crazy because it's like, it's spiritual.
A religious thing.
Yes, you don't want to go to hell, so you don't want to question it.
Right.
You got to go, yeah. Glory to God. I mean, what if your wife all of a sudden was like lighting candles to the microwave?
My wife would totally
I know
do
she
that.
would.
My wife's a Catholic freak and would totally
I
do
know.
that.
And what do you do?
I just humor her.
Because, no, I know what you do.
No, I would have to humor her.
No,
She would
I know
divorce
you.
me.
He would wash it.
Before she saw it? You mean?
No,
hell
it would have a shrine going on,
no.
and I know him. He would he would get this "I'm so funny" thing going on, and he'd go and
Here's
watch.
what would really happen.
Or he'd take a Sharpie and
He'd
draw
do it
one.
to everything else in the
Yes.
kitchen is what
One
he
of
would
the
do.
people that work for my wife would wash it, and I would get blamed. That's what would happen.
Oh, all right.
Yeah.
Oh, what, you have servants?
Just people. There's people that work in our
Yeah,
house.
you guys are rich.
Because as big a
It's
talker as
crazy.
Stench is, he is so, he would
I
not
wouldn't
cross
mess with
his
that.
wife. He would not mess with the holy plate. I
Yeah.
know that about him.
Yeah.
He wouldn't mess
would
with the
mock
holy
her.
plate.
He would Xerox his own face and put it in the holy refrigerator and in the holy stove. He would make all his own shrines, but he
Right.
wouldn't mess with hers.
She'd kill me.
I know Lara Scott talked about a little bit about this to our street meet. Why he's on her show and talking about this, I don't know, but that's okay. Anyway, but I know that they talked about it a little bit because we had mentioned that we were going to talk about it today. Maybe that's why.
Yeah, probably.
She just wanted to just...
Maybe street meat's just spreading out.
Yeah, maybe it's so popular.
Yeah, street meat's just huge.
Anyway, but also people that believe in $300 bats.
Whoa.
Yeah. The Star
Softball
softball team bought a $300 bat, and they all believe in it. They believe that it was a secret weapon.
Because we did win. We won by 3 runs or something, and we did really well. Now,
Right.
Wow.
It had nothing to do with the bat. It had to do with maybe the false confidence they got from the $300
Nope,
bat. But
it's the bat.
I hit 2 doubles, which is the best I've
Okay.
ever done, and I used my old bat, my $20
But
bat.
somebody sold them on the idea of
Yep.
the $300 bat. But I will have to say, when I go shopping for, say, a big screen,
A brick
Yeah.
screen.
big screen, I think there's something wrong if it's only $1,000.
Well, with technology, you're right a lot.
You know,
what I
I'm
mean?
like, I got to buy the most expensive one and finance it because...
It's
Right.
like when you're a little kid. You get new shoes and you always think you can run faster.
Yes. Right.
It's psychological. It works.
Okay, but with the TV, I get you because it's technology and there are better.
know, but I'm
But
so-
a bat is a stick. You know what I mean? They sold them on a $300 stick.
But we're so warped too because yesterday I was at the grocery store and Arm & Hammer soap detergent for your laundry was 2 for $5.
Oh, now see, this is where my wife and I disagree because you won't go. My wife won't
That
use.
is crazy good price.
Right, it is a great price.
It is a great price. 2 of those big Arm & Hammer
Yeah.
laundry detergents, 2 for $5. But it didn't have any perfumes or dyes.
Right.
Yeah.
And then I was afraid maybe it doesn't work as well.
Yeah, see, that's where my wife would get in this argument because I would buy that. I would buy 4 of them because that's such a great deal and stock
Right.
them up. My
Okay.
wife, we have to get the Tide. It's
Hold
so much
on.
better. I'm like, they're all
I
detergent. They
know,
all
but
work
I
the
would be
same.
like your wife. I know, but Jack, we're so just like the softball team thought $300
Right.
would make a better bat hit the ball out of the
And it
field,
did.
and it did.
Kind
I
of.
would be worried that the 2 for $5 laundry detergent. I didn't buy it. I didn't.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
It was 2
But-
for $5. Such a good deal.
I look at it as the $300 bat more of a good luck charm.
Is that
Laundry
why?
detergent, not
But
necessarily
no
good
perfumes
luck.
or dyes. I was just like, oh my god,
It just
it's
keeps it good and
it's
clean.
missing stuff.
Okay, but they honestly believe
God.
in the performance of the $300 bat because Alf, the coach, the marketing guy here,
Right.
got mad at me that I wouldn't use it.
Oh, and you hit doubles.
And I hit 2 doubles with my hammer, my $19 hammer from Target.
What if you found out that your parents had bought those things on TV or whatever? Because we're talking about, oh my God, this is my family. Found out those Make a Million Now, I'll show you how things.
Oh, the seminars or whatever?
Yeah. What if you found out like your wife, or if she was staying at home,
Right.
and you came home and she has the whole kit on how she's going to buy real estate cheap?
Yeah.
More
No
embarrassing
money
than
down.
the Holy Microwave tenfold, because
Yeah.
that makes you just really. I mean, the Holy Microwave is religious, and I get, okay, you see whatever and you want
Right.
to believe. When you buy those scams, and you get sucked in, it just makes you look stupid.
It does. It totally. And then you're like, oh my God, I'm married to a stupid person.
Right? It does. It's embarrassing for the whole family.
You're like, oh my God, I can't believe. Like you have to divorce them.
Oh, I had friends who tried to suck me into a pyramid scheme, and
Oh,
I
I've
never
heard of
talked.
those.
And I never talked to them again because I was like, how could they? I like these people. How'd they get sucked into
And
that?
then you knew they were so stupid.
Right? Exactly.
Yeah, and then the snowboarder, he's always like, he wants to figure out how to make the commercial.
Right. That's where you make all the money. Sell the
Like,
book.
what is the
Oh,
book?
be
Like,
the next guy hawking real estate?
yeah, like
Or-
he wants to sell the book.
Right.
Yeah.
He's smart. That's where all the money is.
Right. He doesn't want to buy the scam. He wants to sell the book. He's like, we got to think of something where we tell people to make
Yeah.
millions.
Make the scam. Don't buy the scam.
Exactly. But what if you were with somebody? I actually, in Kansas City, I lived with a guy that bought that stuff on
No
TV.
way. Do you remember Tom Vu?
Who's that?
I'm Tom Vu.
Yeah.
Buy my tape.
Yeah, I do. remember that guy.
No.
See all these girls? See this boat? This all mine because I buy real estate. I give you my secret.
Oh,
What if-
he was great because he had
Remember?
girls on a big
Yeah.
yacht that he claimed he got from using his techniques.
Did he go to prison or something later
I
for
think
fraud?
so.
God.
Yeah, his name
what
was
if
Tom Vu, and he was pushing a real estate scam.
And what if you're married, or your father or your mother or your sisters, they buy that stuff, and then you go, oh my God, my family's stupid.
Then you feel sad.
You do feel sad. Okay. All right. Anyway, that's what we're talking about this morning. Oh my God, this is my family, from Jesus on plates. The Virgin Mary on a microwave plate, and now candles set up in a corner from Monica's family. To those of you who have wives that buy real estate now, we'll tell you how. Make $1 million.
Yeah, make
Yeah.
$7,000 a month from home.
Yes, and look how happy they are. It's driving me crazy. All right. Anyway, hi. Yay!
Hi.
Jack, you never told us what day it was.
Oh, today is Wednesday, February 8th, 2006.
February
Yay!
Tuesday. Next Tuesday's Valentine's Day?
Yes.
All right. So everybody get your groove on. Get your groove on. Get your flowers ordered. Also get your reservations made.
Yeah.
Right. It's probably getting close to the wire for reservations. You might
Yeah.
not be able to get them.
And maybe even flowers.
Yeah, flowers. I don't know if there's a cutoff date for flowers or not. I think you just kind of get screwed and they get delivered like at 8 o'clock at night if you order
Yeah,
them
that's
late.
true.
You know?
It is amazing how they get all those out. All right, so get that done. In the meantime, we're talking about, I don't even know how to name this. It's like suckers, or is this my family? It's people like our team, our star team, that believe in a $300 bat.
Yeah, the magic bat.
The magic bat. People that are, I think you called it the magic beans theory.
So, yeah, the magic bean.
See, but I believe in my
syndrome.
Magic Laker Cup, remember? And I did it the other day, and it worked.
I know, but the only good part about yours is it didn't cost a lot of money.
Right.
Yeah, I got
Yeah,
it for
no
free
one
with
got
beverage
green.
at a bar.
Right, like sometimes we'll give you those stupid things because it didn't cost any money.
Yeah.
And it's not that embarrassing. But when your mom has lit candles around a microwave plate and wants people to come over and see it
And pray.
Yeah.
and pray, a little embarrassing. When you have a wife or a husband or a sister that saw midgets on TV that can sell you cheap real estate.
Oh,
Yeah,
the midgets
investment
are cool.
midgets rule.
Right. It's just, you're like, oh my God. And I don't know how to name this segment of the show. I mean, what is this called? Like, oh my God, my family members are idiots? Or maybe they know something I don't and I'm an idiot? I don't know.
I don't think
Yeah.
you're the idiot.
What if they did it and became rich? You'd feel really
Exactly.
stupid.
What if they
Yeah.
bought one of those scams?
Show me anybody who got a scam and actually became as rich as the scammer.
Yeah.
Sign a desk.
Hi, it's Jamie, Jack, and Stench on Star 98.7. How are you?
Good, how are you?
We are good. I have breaking news for you.
Oh, okay.
Okay, listen to this. Our, what is her title here?
Assistant producer.
Our assistant producer, Monica Medina,
Uh-huh.
her mother has the Virgin Mary on her microwave plate.
Yep.
No joke. She's
No
unplugged
joke.
it and she's made a shrine around it.
Yep.
No joke. She's pulled it out of her microwave now, and it's sitting on a table with candles lit around
Oh
it.
my gosh. Okay, hold on one second. Let me try to get you Sam Rubin from entertainment.
Okay. Sam Rubin.
That's not really entertainment.
It's not
hard-
entertainment.
We need like
Headline
Spillman or
news.
somebody.
Yeah, what's she doing?
We need Bill.
She's mocking us.
She is mocking us. That's not entertaining.
It's
That's
not entertainment. It's
Yeah.
hard-hitting
This
news.
should knock Brittany out of the top spot of the headlines.
religion is not entertainment.
Right. This is actual
She's in the
news.
wrong segment.
It's a miracle.
Yeah,
Right.
we need the miracle department.
Can we have the miracle desk, please?
God.
Abby.
Hi, Abby. It's Jamie Jack and Stench on the radio.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Listen, I don't know what department this is, but I don't think it's entertainment because religion's not entertaining. So we need the miracle department.
The miracle department? I'm
Yes.
We have
Yeah.
a news story.
We have a news story. Monica Medina, she's our associate producer. Her mother sees the Virgin Mary in the microwave plate. They've now pulled it out of the microwave, and they have candles lit all around it.
And the neighbors now are forming a line, and it's almost around the block in their neighborhood.
In Maywood.
In Maywood, they're looking at the Virgin Mary in the microwave plate.
Okay, just a second, okay?
Okay.
Can you send Bill there?
We have to hype it up a little, or they won't buy it.
You're right.
So
The
we
line
add
was
in-
good.
yeah,
Jack,
add
that
in
was
a little.
great. That was really
Make it
good.
sound like it's a bigger deal in her
Monica,
neighborhood.
line up all your cousins.
Yeah, get your even the gang members. Like the gang members have repented.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, the ones with the tattoo on their eyeballs or whatever, right? Those tattoos that are teardrops.
Right.
Yeah, have them lined up. Like once I saw the Virgin Mary in the microwave, I didn't want to do bad things anymore.
My tattoos disappeared off my face.
Oh, that'd be cool. I'm gonna tattoo the Virgin Mary on my forehead,
Oh.
and then be
to hell.
like, "Oh my, would you?
You're going to hell.
Why?
Oh my God, the Virgin Mary's on my forehead.
Why is it going
She
to
just
hell?
sat on my
You
head."
can't-
It's a
Tattooed it
tribute.
there?
It's a tribute.
It's not a tribute.
It
You're
is a
mocking her.
tribute to the Virgin
It's a
Mary. Rock
tribute.
on.
Okay.
On my forehead, she just sat right there.
Right.
And then rock on. Her feet are on your nose.
Rock on, the Virgin Mary. Hey. Oh, you made her little. I made her big. I just had her ass print on my forehead.
Oh.
What's that? That's a Virgin Mary ass print. She said on my forehead. Okay, now maybe not.
Yeah, now.
All right, I'm gonna put her on hold because they don't. it
Monica,
seems-
give her all the information so they can get a camera crew out there.
Yeah, immediately, and tell
remember,
them make it snappy.
Hype it up.
Yeah, and hype it up. There's a line around the whole block because that was good, Jack.
The neighbors are coming, and that one kid that lived next door that was in the wheelchair can now walk.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Perfect.
That is great. People are walking. Oh my God, the deaf can hear. It's great.
Eel.
All right, I'm not sure again if we have the magic beans. Are your family into the magic beans?
Okay, what about the healers? The TV, the spiritual healers, which
And
you know
your-
are fake, and
Well,
they
your grandma believes in
yeah,
those.
and they like smack the old people on the head, and then they fall over, then they get up and walk off.
Yeah, those are very depressing.
Yes.
Yes. And then grandma gives them all your inheritance
Yes!
money.
Yes!
What about that one?
And you thought when she kicked the bucket you'd pay off your student loans, and now you're screwed.
Magic bean buyers. Is that the name of the segment?
it.
Okay, just because I just need a name, or else I can't live. Here's Lori. Hi, Lori.
Hi, Jamie.
Hi.
I bought the real estate stuff.
Which
Oh.
one? The
I
Eric
never opened it,
Estrada?
though. Yeah, because my husband got laid off, and I thought this isn't going to work. We have to come up with a way to make money so we can live in Burbank.
So
And,
was it midgets or Eric Estrada?
I don't remember who it was, but it was the middle of the night, and he made it convincing that I could do it. But once it came, I never opened the box because I don't understand the first thing about real estate.
How much did you
And I
spend?
so
How much did you spend?
I think it was like $50 or $60.
Well,
That's not too bad.
That's not
That's
too bad.
not
Sometimes
too
they're
bad.
hundreds.
But I just wanted to tell you, I saw on TV they did a report. They Tide versus Cheer versus Arm & Hammer.
Yeah.
Tide really is better.
Oh,
Tide and
good.
Cheer are
go.
tied for first.
Oh,
And
that's
all
so
the
good
rest are-
because it was 2 for $5.
yeah, I don't get it. It doesn't.
You know, I
change.
didn't, and it's at Ralph's right now, 2 for $5. Arm & Hammer sensitive skin formula, and I thought, God, that's so cheap. I'm afraid it's missing stuff.
Anyway, can you help me figure out how we can make some money? Because my husband's still laid off.
Okay, but don't buy that stuff on TV.
I know. I can't. I've never done that before. I'm desperate.
Oh, let's see. How can Lori make some money? Well, what
Do
do
you
you?
have
You know
any
what? My
skills or
husband
trades?
goes outside Fuddruckers and he sings on the weekends with my kids. And the city of Burbank came and shut him down. Said you can't sing because people are throwing money at you, and we don't allow that in Burbank.
What did he used to do?
He's a musician / graphic designer, but times are rough.
Wow.
We have 5 kids.
Maybe
So
he could
the
paint
city won't-
custom-made guitars.
The city won't. What?
Maybe he could like airbrush guitars.
He's not that good.
Oh, wow. God. That could be the problem.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I saw that on one ad. Wanted not that good graphic artist.
Anyway, we're keeping track of the fires for you, too. There's a new one that's popped up. Y'all have heard by now. It's in Malibu. And they said it's died down. That's great news.
Are you
Malibu
okay?
Fire's dying
Yeah,
down.
that totally died down at Coral Canyon.
Yeah.
It's died down, and they said now there's just a few hot spots, and that those big helicopter things are dropping.
Dumping like crazy.
Is it Webster's?
Webster Elementary.
Webster Elementary, Point Doom Elementary, Cabrillo.
Cabrillo Elementary.
Is it Cabrillo?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I'm not. Though you're from those fancy parts. And Malibu High.
Yeah.
All closed. Yeah. You know, it's sad.
Fire day.
It's like a snow day on the West Coast.
Yeah.
Because they're happy. They're happy.
I know.
Anyway, so I don't know really. That's what the latest I saw. So it seems like it's good news. Although I'm watching on the news, it doesn't look that good.
It still looks pretty big on the news, the live shots.
Yeah. I mean, they're like, oh, yeah, it's died down. There's a few hot spots. But those hot spots look pretty damn hot to me.
Yeah.
All right. So be careful out there. In the meantime, we're talking about, no, not Britney Spears keeping her baby on her lap. Breaking news. Britney Spears has her baby on her lap.
That's
oh, my God.
Yesterday.
It's so, oh, my God. She has their babies on her lap. We're all going to die. I can't believe it's the top of the hour news.
I think Britney set these fires in Malibu just to get the attention off of her.
Oh, maybe that's a conspiracy.
She lives out there.
Anyway, we're talking about the magic bean theory. Everything from our, whatever, I don't know his title, but anyway, Alf bought a $300 baseball bat. $300. Because at Sports Chalet or wherever, they convinced him it was the top of the top of the line bat, the bat that would outrule all other bats.
Yeah, swings itself.
Right. And
Yes.
we've been getting slaughtered. So
Right, and then guess what, friends? They won.
Yeah, we did. We won. We did really
They
well.
actually won. So that is one of the magic bean theories. Number 2, if you know somebody or are related to somebody that buys that crap on TV, the 1-800 Get Rich Now will show you how.
Yeah.
Yep.
Make money from home.
You can't believe that you're married or... I was telling Stench off the air, I said it's kind of like when they try to sucker you into buying those diet pills.
Yeah, but I think the diet pills go along with the baseball bat, though. It's like if you take the diet pills, you think they're working, so you start to immediately feel better about yourself, and then you may actually start exercising or eating better, and then do they really work, or have they just led you to believe they're working, so then you take action to actually lose weight?
I wonder how many stay-at-home moms buy all that real estate stuff, all those diet pills,
Yeah.
have a Nordic track.
Right.
Oh.
An abdominizer or
Yes,
whatever.
exactly. Like, I think that stay-at-home moms probably spend more money. I bet they're the consumer.
I'm telling you, when I'm at home during the day, I get home, I see that UPS man working it down my street for all
Yeah.
the stay-at-home moms that are shopping.
Also, then Monica Medina's mom saw the Virgin Mary this morning in the microwave plate. She now has candles set up to it.
Yeah, she made a shrine.
She made a shrine, yeah. And Jack, actually, we're gonna go late on this break, I believe.
Right. Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot. That's my bad.
No, that's okay. Because here's another one that we wanted to talk to, but it doesn't.
Cool.
It doesn't exactly fit here. But this lady is a miracle worker with chickens.
Miracles are good. We're talking about miracles.
Yeah, a chicken miracle worker. This lady's from.
From Arkadelphia.
Where they don't have call waiting.
Was Arkansas where they passed the law that if it's too hot, you can't pull over the chicken truck? Remember we talked about that a couple
I'm not sure. Can you grab this for me and keep trying while I stall here? Thank you very much. Anyway, we told her we are going to call her right now.
I bet she's popular.
Yeah, was she excited about talking about her chicken?
Yeah, she was.
If you can perform miracles with chickens, you're probably pretty popular in Arkansas.
That's true.
Yeah.
No call waiting in Arkansas. Here's Janine. Hi, Janine.
Oh my gosh, hi.
Hi.
How are you today?
We are lovely. How are you? We're talking about people that believe in the magic bean theory.
Yeah, I have a weird story. One of my best friends, I've known her for like 20 years, so she's a credible person, but she went temporarily insane to believe this story. She's Catholic too, so I don't know no offense against Catholics, but they tend to really go with these things, you know?
Yeah.
Her cousin said that in the middle of the night she woke up and that there was this writing, like some ancient spiritual message written on her body, like on her torso.
Oh, my God.
Yeah, I know. And and then I was like, well, how? First of all, did anyone else see it? can she prove that it was there? Well, I would take a picture of it if something like that happened to me, She said it disappeared afterwards. But then,
Invisible
for
ink.
the next couple weeks, she would get messages, written on her bathroom mirror, or supposedly.
Oh, because I was going to say maybe she fell asleep with a Sharpie in the bed.
Yeah.
You know how you don't realize a pin leaked on you?
Right.
Well, yeah. Well, I said she needed to see a psychiatrist, but my friend who's Catholic said, but you know what? Maybe we should. It's not for us.
Yeah,
to
see, that's
question.
the thing. You can't question those
Yeah, what if
Catholics
it's
when they
some
see a burnt-on food that looks like Mary.
Right.
Yeah.
Because then you're torn. You're like, oh my God, if they believe, you gotta,
Well, remember my whole vision I had when I saw Jesus in my house, and then I made a joke and he went away.
You pissed him off.
Yeah, and I'm a crazy Catholic.
Yeah, I forgot about that. So yeah, Stench
Yeah.
believes in the magic bean theory.
Yeah, totally.
And here is somebody else whose husband bought into the magic bean theory. Here's Angie. Hi, Angie.
Hi, guys.
Hi.
You guys rule.
We rule.
Go ahead. What were you calling about?
My husband totally bought into that theory. He was always seeing these commercials on TV, but he decided to do his own research online and bought some male enhancement pills.
Oh. First of all, haha, your husband has a tiny weenie.
He actually doesn't, but he's always wanting to be bigger and better.
And he bought male penis pills?
He did.
Oh, he's not the only one, though, because I get those
Yeah.
pop-up ads all the time
I
in
know,
email,
but
so
Jack-
they must be selling them to somebody.
But here's the point. She didn't know she married a moron.
No, I get
Yeah.
it.
Nope.
Yeah, that's
What disappoints you when you find out you married a moron.
Yeah.
I know.
You know who else are morons? The guys that think they're gonna buy the Spanish flies, the pills to make girls horny.
Yeah, and you're like,
I'm gonna
honey,
give her this pill, she'll be horny.
you can't take these pills. How much do they cost you?
I think they cost him $60 for 1 month.
$60 for a month, and then you find you're so disappointed that this is a family member because you think that your family members are like smarter.
The only benefit to these stupid pills was that he smelled like maple syrup.
Oh, well, there you go.
That's kind of cool.
Probably what the
It
pill
was,
was.
it was kind of cool.
But didn't it disappoint you that he was the guy that bought the pills?
It did, and when he's your husband, you're supposed to be supportive.
Yeah.
All this stuff, and honey, you don't need them. I love you how you are. You're perfect. You're the right fit for me. Blah blah blah. But one's bigger and better.
Because you feel like your husband's better than the commercial.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You feel like your husband's smarter, bigger, and better than the commercial, and then they buy that crap on TV, and you're just like, oh no.
And then he's walking around smelling like syrup, and you just want to go to IHOP.
Exactly.
She
So
has
made
that,
everybody
though.
fat.
Right.
She has that forever. All she's got to do is if he pisses her off, drop that when his buddies are around.
What do you mean?
Tell him about the pills you bought.
Oh, that's not because you're so embarrassed. You don't want anybody to know.
You don't even want his friends to know.
No,
You would humiliate him in a fight.
no, because
Wow.
you
Yeah,
don't
it
want
reflects
people
poorly on you.
on you. Yeah. Hey, Marianne,
Yes,
I hear you saved a chicken.
I saved a chicken.
All right, here's what we got to do, Marianne. We got to put you on. First of all, congratulations, and you're our hero.
Yeah.
I got to put you on hold. We got to do a little bit of business, but then can we talk to you about saving a chicken?
I guess so.
All right.
Wow.
You are quite the woman.
Oh, yeah.
Saving a chicken.
All
Everybody,
right.
ladies and gentlemen, Marianne.
Well, you put in there, it's an exotic chicken. It's not just some old plain barnyard.
All right.
Fancy
Well,
chicken.
all right. When we come back, we will talk to Marianne, who saved an exotic chicken.
Yep.
Jamie.
We're all over the place this morning, from magic bean theories to seeing the Virgin Mary on a microwave plate with food on it, which Monica Medina's mother now has sitting in a corner with candles lit around it. To those of you who have, sisters, wives, husbands, brothers who buy that real estate, we'll show you how. $8 million. I'm at $10,000 a month
Yeah.
to women that save exotic chickens. Ladies and gentlemen, Miriam! Hi, Miriam.
Hi there.
Hi, thank you for holding. So where are we calling? Arkadelphia, Arkansas?
Yes.
Arkadelphia. Where is that besides Arkansas?
That is, it's about 60 miles from our capital, Little Rock, Arkansas.
Oh, all right. So you're not far from the city.
No.
No. Well, I was just thinking you were total country folk.
We have 2 universities here. We're about 11,000 people.
Woo! Shuck my corn.
Oh, yeah.
All right, so Miriam, here it goes. I have this story that's making the Associated Press newswires.
This is ridiculous.
You're a very popular woman, my friend.
Oh.
So it says right here, and I quote, that you gave mouth to pecker resuscitation.
That's right. I opened that little beak and just blew right in it. I just on a lark. His head. I mean, he looked dead. So I just thought I would try, see if I remembered my CPR.
So, first of all, is it your chicken?
It's my brother's.
Your brother's chicken. And why does your brother have a chicken?
He's got several down there.
Oh.
And I don't know why he does.
Are they pets or do you eat them?
No, they're exotic chickens.
What is an exotic chicken?
Well, they're all different colored and they got hair on. I don't know. They're different. They got different feathers and colors.
They're fancy.
Fancy
Yeah, they're
chickens.
fancy.
Yeah.
I don't think I've ever heard of the exotic chicken.
With fancy feathers and stuff.
No,
Well-
I have not heard of that kind of fowl.
Are they like baseball cards? Does he trade them with other people and like try and get pairs?
And he's got a guinea, if you know what that is. And
Is that a little chicken?
yeah.
Oh. I've seen
Way too
people
much.
dye them for Easter.
Well,
but
no, the
I've-
little ones are banny hens. He has those. I don't know. He doesn't eat them. They're kind of pets.
Do they just run around?
Well, they're in a pen.
Oh, and
Yeah.
and do they love you and hug you? Well, I mean, are they like a good pet? Like, do they, snuggle up?
Yeah, they don't peck you. I don't think. I don't.
You're not real close to these
They-
chickens,
they're-
are you?
His wife is has to stay at home. She has Parkinson's, and they're just company to her.
Oh, well, that's sweet.
Yeah,
Chicken
they got
therapy.
them all named, and they have some rabbits. Even the rabbit scratch on the door to be let in.
I wouldn't tell people that.
Yeah.
It was bad enough you had exotic chickens, okay?
Hey, what's the name of the one you
Anyhow,
saved?
I'd blow in its mouth, or what do you want, beak, whatever you want to call it.
Pecker. Say pecker.
Yeah,
It makes
pecker.
it funny.
Yeah.
And its eyes would come open, and so I decided to do the chest compressions, and
So you went down to your brother's house and you saw a chicken, what? Like it was...
well, they had it on the porch on the stool and wrapped up in a towel. It was all wet, and its head it looked dead.
So it fallen into something?
It fell into the little fish pond in the back.
Oh.
And my brother found it just floating. It was he thought it was dead.
And so did he call you?
No, I just happened to be going by and stopped and check on Becky, and there was the chicken laying there on the stool with his head hanging down.
Dead.
And I felt good that day. Just for the heck of it, I decided I'd see if I remembered my CPR.
And by golly, you sure did. So you blew in its mouth and its eyes popped open?
Every time.
How long
You
did
might
it
have
take?
been. She might have been blowing a little too hard if she's making his eyes pop out.
Pow, pow.
Did the chest compress. I didn't know where to feel for a pulse on a chicken.
Yeah. Now, as Stench asked earlier, what's the chicken's name?
Boo boo.
You saved Boo Boo.
Yeah, now they've named it Lazarette. I think it was Lazarus that rose up from the dead.
Oh, yeah.
So they named the chicken Lazarette.
It's a miracle chicken.
Wow.
You saved a miracle chicken.
I guess so, but since then they have to. I guess the other chickens sense that it's weak, and they attacked it. And they would
It's not
attack
natural. They know
So,
that sucker's
yeah,
dead.
yeah,
It's a
that's-
zombie chicken.
That's chicken natural, so we had to segregate it. He's in his own little individual
So
pen.
maybe it wasn't a good thing you saved the chicken. Maybe he was supposed to die. Now he's
Well,
getting...
maybe so. You're going to talk to the chicken god
like
about
that
that.
movie, Pet
I don't
Sematary.
know.
Yeah, because you saved the chicken's life, and now he's getting beat up by the other chickens.
Yep.
Because he was
Yeah,
the
they-
chosen
they-
chicken.
They sense he's weak, so they attacked him.
Oh, that's sad.
Well, I know, and we're hoping. See, he still walks a little. It affected his legs.
Got a limp.
Like a
Being
chicken
dead.
stroke.
Yeah, he had a chicken stroke.
Right.
So we're hoping he gets stronger.
Chicken palsy.
Yeah, that could be from you blowing a little too hard into his
Maybe I
pecker.
blew too or mashed too hard on his little chest. I just don't know.
So he has a limp?
Yeah, he couldn't walk at first. It took him a while. This is the third day, and his left leg is still a little gimpy.
Got a gimp leg.
He got a gimp leg.
Are you sure? Because, some people after, like, they don't want to stay on life support.
Right.
Are you sure that you didn't
Well,
just...
now, I don't don't think I would have gone to life support on this chicken. Yeah.
I'm just wondering if he would have had a better life if he'd gone somewhere else and walking around being pecked at and having a limp. He's like Rudolph.
I don't know. Are you saying there's a chicken heaven? I don't know.
Well, yeah, there's a chicken heaven.
He seems pretty happy right now. I mean, he's got it made. He's got his water and his food.
Yeah,
He's on in a little individual box.
He's in solitary confinement because the other chickens are kicking his ass and he's got a limp.
Kicking ass. Yeah.
Do you go and visit him?
Yeah, I might go check on him.
Because he's probably really lonely.
Probably so.
He doesn't have any chicken friends.
Yeah. He probably thinks I'm his mother now.
Yeah, you should adopt it and take it home with you.
I don't want to blame chicken.
All right, Marianne, hold on the line. We're going to send you out something to Arkansas, something pretty that you're going to like.
Okay.
All right. Thank you for being on our show.
You're welcome.
All right, and we'll do a follow-up with you, too, and make sure that chicken's doing okay.
Okay.
All right, and we'll hold a vigil.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. We'll light candles around it.
We'll pray to the microwave for it.
All right, hold on, Miriam.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, hold on. All right. And can you get Miriam's brother's number? That would be worth
Exotic chicken collector.
Yeah. All right, so that right there, nice lady.
Yep. Always nice once you leave the great state of California.
I have a question. You guys see a chicken laying over sideways on a porch. You blow in its mouth?
No.
Nope. Bury it.
Me either.